Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the courthouse secret in Avatar world. So did you know that the courthouse in Avatar world holds a secret? Beyond the courtroom, there's a hidden items that you can get. So here already on the courthouse, you can just swipe in here and you'll see this statue. So you can give these items right here. You can find it under this like books, I think, and here you'll find a hammer, a gavel. In here you can just give it to the statue in here, so she hold it. And the other items you can find it in the courtroom, inside the courtroom in here. Under this girl you can just found this one in here, so just give it to the statue, and after that you'll get this gift. And once you open it, you can get this full set attire, like the judges or the prosecutor attire that you can save or put onto your avatar. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.